Guys, I found another absolute gem on Idealista. Just look at this massive 5-square terrace with a breathtaking view of the Sicilian coast. As a craftsman, I see endless potential here. Let's check out the rest of the property. This is your private escape. You get a detached house with 100 square meters of land, totally immersed in nature. It even comes with a private water cistern already set up. Plus, you're only 10 minutes from the city center, so you've got total peace, but you're never oscillated. And this is what it could look like if you simply spread some gravel along the pathways and give the house a fresh coat of white paint. It completely changes the vibe with just basic work. Look at that curve appeal. The house itself is in good shape, so it really doesn't need that much structural work. But with over 1,100 square meters of land, if you have a green thumb, you have a massive advantage here. Let's take a look at look like with just a few simple adjustments. All we did here was paint the house using just a simple ladder and reseed the lawn. Look how a fresh green garden and some white walls completely transform this space. It looks like a luxury villa now. Do you want to take a look inside? Inside, everything is clean, solid, and a practical kitchen and ready-to dining setup that just needs a few cosmetic updates. The layout is great, and there's absolutely no heavy construction needed. But let's look in the other direction of the room. Just like you guessed, it's a typical combined kitchen and living space. It's bright, open, and offers plenty of room to create a cozy dining area. With that direct access to the outside, it has an amazing flow. But what could it look like with just a few simple adjustments? So what do you think? And if we're being honest, not even that much happened here, just some new furniture and these beautiful Sicilian tiles in the kitchen that literally anyone could stick to the wall. Do you want to keep looking? And this is supposed to be the bedroom. Right now it looks pretty basic, but from a construction standpoint, the walls are completely dry and the tiling is solid. It's a clean canvas. But honestly, you need to look at this from the doorway. From here, you can immediately feel the difference. It totally opens up the space and you can instantly start picturing how you would furnish this room. Do you want to see exactly how I'd set it up? What a difference warm colors and the right furniture can make. Okay, I also swapped out the floor tiles here. I think it makes the space feel so much cozier. Now, shall we take a quick look inside the bathroom? Okay, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This room could seriously use a makeover. It's not necessarily ugly, but it's definitely not pretty either. Everything works, but it feels outdated. Ready to see how a modern touch completely transforms this bathroom? Now this is exactly mod I taste, but keeping that authentic Sicilian touch. For this specific room, I can totally see you plug in a professional craftsman purely because of the tiling. But wait, are you guys actually following me yet? So the original listing actually states that this house has 4 rooms, but I only saw 2 in the pictures. You'd have to ask the agent to send over the rest. But for now, let's go check out that rooftop terrace. Honestly, I'd already say this terrace is amazing just the way it is. And the best part, nobody can look onto your plate out here. But I think there is even more potential. Want to see what we can this space? I mean, this is an absolute dream. Just imagine sitting here in the evening, relaxing and looking out at the sea, cozy furniture, beautiful lights, and total privacy. But wait, we are not at the end just yet. But now we really have reached the end. If you love this incredibly cheap property, just write villa in the comments below and I will send you the direct listing. Ciao. See you soon.